Hi everyone, Nick with Acme Tools. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the latest outdoor power equipment from DeWalt. Let's jump into it. First up, we're going to be taking a look at the 20-volt max 14-inch folding string trimmer. It's going to be part number DCS T922B for the Bear tool. This string trimmer features an innovative folding hinge mechanism that reduces the length by 40% for accessible storage and portability. The quick load spool allows for fast and easy line replacement of 0.08-inch line. This tool also has a 14-inch swath. The variable speed trigger offers precise power control as well as performance and runtime management with the high-low speed control switch. Up next, we're going to be taking a look at the 20-volt max brushless handheld blower. It's going to be part number DCBL722B for the Bear tool. This blower provides the ability to clear debris with an air volume of up to 450 cubic feet per minute and up to 125 miles per hour with the concentrator nozzle. The low noise during operation at 66 decibels makes this tool ideal for noise-sensitive regions and properties. With a lightweight and ergonomic design, the blower gives users directional control and lessens user fatigue. The variable speed trigger and speed lock give the user full power control. Up next, we're taking a look at the DCPS 620M1. That's going to be the part number for the 20-volt max brushless pole saw kit. This pole saw comes equipped with an 8-inch bar and chain to handle all of your pruning needs. It features a high-efficiency brushless motor that can deliver up to 96 cuts per charge. The well-balanced design and durable pole shaft extends up to 10 feet for a total reach of 15 feet. It has an auto oiling feature for added convenience and time saving. It also features metal bucking strips for a durable cutting grip, and a tree hook allows you to easily remove pruned branches. Next, we're looking at the 20-volt max compact cordless chainsaw Bear tool. It's going to be part number DCCS620B. This chainsaw is built to handle tough construction and outdoor jobs. The 12-inch Oregon bar and chain allows users to cut beams, rough out openings, do demolition work, and more. Its compact, lightweight design, weighing in at 8.8 pounds, maximizes user control. The brushless motor technology delivers extreme runtime and motor life. Finally, we're going to be taking a look at DCPW 550P1. That's going to be the part number for the DeWalt 20-volt max power cleaner kit. This tool can draw from any freshwater source with an included suction hose where a garden hose is not easily accessible. It can also be hooked up to your garden hose at home or on the job site with the convenient Quick Connect adapter. Boasting 550 psi, this tool is ideal for convenient cleaning of tools and equipment as well as decks, boats, outdoor furniture, and vehicles. It comes with 4 nozzles that can all be stored on the unit, as well as a soap bottle to cover all of your cleaning tasks. To find more information or to shop the outdoor power equipment lineup from DeWalt, head on over to acmetools.com and remember to always do your best work.